PCPartPicker US 101, PC bottleneck calculator. My PCPartPicker. PCPartPicker. PCPartPicker is an invaluable resource for both novice and experienced PC builders. It simplifies the process of selecting and purchasing components for a custom PC build. Here's a detailed explanation of how PCPartPicker works and what it offers. Comprehensive database *. PCPartPicker has a vast database of computer parts, including CPUs, GPUs, motherboards, RAM, storage, cases, power supplies, and more. It provides detailed specifications, user reviews, and current prices from various retailers. Compatibility checker *. One of the standout features of PCPartPicker is its compatibility checker. When you add components to your build, the site automatically filters out incompatible parts, reducing the risk of purchasing components that won't work together. Price comparison and alerts *. The platform compares prices across multiple retailers, helping you find the best deals for each component. You can also set up price alerts for specific parts, so you'll be notified when their prices drop. Build guides * For those who are new to PC building or need some inspiration, PCPartPicker offers build guides. These are pre-configured part lists designed for various budgets and use cases, from basic home office setups to high-end gaming rigs. User builds *. The completed build section showcases builds submitted by the community. You can see the parts they used, the total cost, and read their notes and experiences. This is a great way to get ideas and learn from others' experiences. System Builder *. The System Builder tool allows you to pick parts for your custom build. As you select components, it keeps track of the total cost, compatibility, and estimated wattage for your build. Community and support *. PCPartPicker has an active community forum where users can ask for advice, share their builds, and discuss the latest in PC hardware. The support from the community can be especially helpful for troubleshooting and getting feedback on potential builds. Price trends and history *. The site tracks the price history of components, showing trends over time. This can be useful for planning your purchases around potential price drops or sales events. Educational resources *. PCPartPicker provides resources to educate users on building PCs. This includes detailed articles, tutorials, and videos that cover various aspects of the building process. In summary, PCPartPicker is a powerful tool that streamlines the process of building a custom PC. It helps ensure compatibility between components, assists in finding the best prices, and provides a platform for learning and sharing within the PC building community. Whether you're building your first PC or your 10th, PCPartPicker is a resource worth utilizing.